Good morning, folks. We are now at Pagoh R&R in Johor, Peninsular Malaysia, and the time now is 15 minutes to 7 a.m. in the morning. Today is the 20th of August 2026, and it looks like Pagoh feels very calm, no crowded here, and there is a lot of ample parking at Pagoh Rest and Recuperate area. And for your knowledge, Pagoh is 120 kilometers away from Johor Bahru, the capital of Johor State in Malaysia. And Johor State is the southernmost state in Peninsular Malaysia before you entering or bordering with Singapore. So now we are looking for parking. Looks like we have to do a U-turn to park here, and there is ample parking at the second row of the car park, while the on your left is the for trucks and lorry parking. So here we just parked our car at the Rest and Recuperate area of Pagoh, Johor. So there looks like there is a lot of shops. It's closed by now. It looks like the weather is very dry here, and the grass is already turned to yellow in color. So here's the Pagoh food court area. Also they have the children playground here. So here it is praying facilities for the Muslim. It's the symbol of surau or musola.